Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to file a private school affidavit at PSA in California. I have never filed one myself, but I can provide you with the information. When I started researching about 3 years ago, I decided I wanted to go with a charter, but now you decide what's best for you. The website is cde.ca.gov, cde.ca.gov. And I will provide you with all the links that you need. I'm also providing you with small take of the video of the websites and how to file. I'm gonna guide you a bit, but I'm also gonna provide you other links that you can read and look into, where it goes step by step of each box in the application. Sorry for that noise. But I hope this has been helpful to you and that you are able to file or homeschool somehow. And the same website that I'm providing you with the cde.ca.gov, it provides you information about charter schools too, so you could research into that and see what's best for you. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope that you continue asking me more questions. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, so this is the main page where you go and file. As you can see right there, I'm gonna try to submit the best I can. There it is. And this is where you it gives you a lot of information of how to file a PSA, a private school affidavit. And this is what I was trying to explain, that you could email there and send it by mail. And it tells you who can file a private school affidavit, but it also tells you how to go to the private homeschool. So you will click here, then you will click over here. It also tells you the frequently asked questions. I can read that for you guys in another video, and also the laws. And the things that they can help you with here, the curricular frameworks. Here it is, the online affidavit form. You click on that, and there you go. And this is where you file and submit your form. Also, this is the other website that I want to provide for you guys, so you guys can follow step by step. And it has always been from October 1st to October 15th. If you click on the bottom, it explains you in detail how you operate and how to file each box. So I'm providing you all that information, and I hope, like I said, it is helpful to you. And please subscribe to my channel so I can provide you with more information about how to homeschool in California. Thank you. Bye-bye.